That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, shawty, that my little baby,
that my little shawty, that my little baby. She so finesse, she so physique, she make my toes curl when we get.
Okay, we're just gonna hop right into the video. As you can see here, I am just starting to pluck at the hairline. And then you can just brush it every once in a while when you feel like you've plucked a lot of hairs. And now I'm just like parting a little section so I can start to pluck behind that sectioned off part, because you don't want your hairline to be bulky, because no one's real hairline is bulky. So I parted a couple more times and just keep going behind the actual hairline to thin it out more. You can see how much I've plucked, so don't be scared. Now I'm parting off the baby hair that I'm going to make. Now I'm taking my toothbrush and I'm just seeing how my baby hair are gonna lay before I cut them. I'm gonna spray them down real quick. Now I'm gonna cut them. You always want to start off cutting them long. You never want to cut super short first, because obviously a wig can't grow its hair back. But you can always go shorter, you know? And I'm just trying to frame them as I'm cutting them shorter. Also, I'm using an eyebrow razor, but you can use like anything. You just want it to have like a feathered edge. As you can see, that's what the baby hairs are looking like as of right now. Now I'm gonna go in with some cuticle scissors and cut off the lace. Okay, so now I'm about to cut it. So at first I was just about to go in, but then I was like, maybe I should part it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm parting off a small section at the bottom. And I'm taking off about 2 inches. Then I took down another layer and I'm cutting that. And here is the last layer, and we will be finished with the shortcut that I wanted. Okay, now I'm just taking a straight blade razor and I am thinning out the wig. Wigs come super artificially thick. No one's real hair is thick from top to bottom, so at the bottom I'm just trying to thin it out. And I did that in sections as well. This is going to help the hair be a little bit more manageable and look a bit more realistic. But hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and before you leave, make sure you subscribe down below and click the notification bell. But I'm gonna hit y'all up in my next video.
Prayed
Bye.
and I prayed again. At a moment, but it came and went. Y'all don't wanna play with him. No. There'll be morning you like 8 a.m.
That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby.